This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Combine 500 g flour, 25 g sugar, 10 g salt, and 7 g instant yeast in a large bowl. Whisk to distribute evenly. Add 300 ml cold whole milk and mix until a shaggy dough forms, then fold by hand or paddle until gathered but not smooth. Knead briefly for 2 to 3 minutes just to bring it together. Press into a disc and wrap. Chill the dough 30 to 45 minutes in the refrigerator. Pat 250 g cold unsalted butter into a 6 by 8 inch rectangle between 2 sheets of parchment. Beat edges so the block is even. Chill the butter block 20 to 30 minutes until firm but still pliable. It should not be rock hard. Roll the rested dough to a 12 by 8 inch rectangle on a lightly floured surface. Center the butter, fold dough over like an envelope, and seal the edges to fully encase the butter for lamination. Perform 3 double folds, turning the dough 90 degrees between folds, and chill 30 to 60 minutes between each turn so butter stays cold and layers set. On the final roll, aim for about 3.5 mm thickness, trim edges, then cut 10 to 12 triangles. Stretch each triangle gently and roll from base to tip into classic crescent shapes. Proof the shaped croissants 90 to 120 minutes until puffy. Then brush with egg wash and bake at 200 degrees C for 18 to 20 minutes, until deep golden and flaky.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.